Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medicinous Tips. Today we are going to learn about the bones of our body, that is skeletal system. We will look into the classification of the bones of our body, that is into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. We will also look into some of the details of the classification. So, osteology. Osteology is the study about bones of our body. In the adult skeleton, there are 206 bones, but in newborns, there are about 300 bones, which eventually fuses to form the adult bone number. The bones are made up of cells, ground substances, and fibers. The cells of bones are osteoblasts, osteocytes, and osteoclasts. The ground substance include glycosaminoglycans and minerals. The fibers include the type 1 collagen fibers. Ground substance and fibers together makes the matrix of bone. The classification of skeleton. The human skeleton is classified into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of 80 bones while appendicular skeleton consists of 126 bones. The axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton are marked in a skeleton which can be seen on the side. Axial skeleton. Total 80 bones are there in axial skeleton, which includes skull bones, ear ossicles, hyoid bone, vertebral bones, and rib cage. The skull bones are 22 in number, which include 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones. The ear ossicles are 6. In each ear, 3 ear ossicles are present, which are malleus, incus, and stapes. There is a single hyoid bone in the anterior midline of neck. The vertebrae includes 26 vertebral bones, and the rib cage includes 25 bones, which are 24 ribs which are arranged in the form of 12 pairs on each side and one single sternum in the midline of the body. Now coming to appendicular skeleton. There are total 126 bones in appendicular skeleton, of which the upper limb bones constitute 60, that is 30 on each side. The lower limb similarly constitute 60, that is 30 on both sides. The pectoral girdle consists of 4 bones, that is 2 clavicle and 2 scapula. The pelvic girdle consists of 2 bones, which are the 2 hip bones or coxal bones. Cranial bones. There are total 22 cranial bones in our body, out of which 2 cranial bones are paired while others are singly present. The paired cranial bones are parietal bone and temporal bone. The unpaired bones are frontal bone, which is present in the anterior part of skull, occipital bone, which is present in the posterior part of skull, sphenoid bone, and ethmoid bone. Now coming to facial bones. There are total 14 facial bones in our body, of which only 2 bones are unpaired while all other bones are paired. The paired bones are maxilla, lacrimal bone, zygomatic bone or cheek bone, nasal bone, inferior nasal concha, and palatine bone. The 2 unpaired facial bones are mandible, which forms the lower jaw, and vomer. The mandible is the only movable bone of the skull region. Now the ear ossicles. There are 6 ear ossicles in our body, out of which 3 are present in each ear. The 3 ear ossicles are malleus, incus, and stapes. Malleus is hammer shaped, incus is anvil shaped, and stapes is stirrup shaped. The mnemonic for remembering that is Miss has. M means malleus, I means incus, S means stapes, H means hammer, A means anvil, and S means stirrup. The rib cage consists of 25 bones, of which one bone is sternum, which is present in the anterior midline of the body. There are 12 pairs of ribs present in the body. The ribs are classified into true ribs, false ribs, and floating ribs. The first 7 pairs of ribs are called true ribs. They have anterior attachment. They are attached to the sternum directly. They are also called vertebrosternal ribs. The 8th, 9th, and 10th pair of ribs are called false ribs. They are anteriorly attached to the costal cartilage of 7th rib, so they are also called vertebrochondral ribs. The last 2 pairs of ribs, that is 11th and 12th pair of ribs, are called floating ribs. They are anteriorly not attached. They are also called vertebral ribs. The vertebral column consists of 26 bones in an adult, which includes 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 1 sacral vertebrae, and 1 coccyx vertebrae. The sacral vertebrae is formed by the fusion of 5 independent bones in child. The coccyx vertebrae is also formed by the fusion of 4 bones in children. Hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is a single bone which has no articulations with other bones. Hyoid bone is present in the anterior midline of neck. It consists of a body, greater horn, and lesser horn. Now coming to appendicular skeleton, the upper limbs. The upper limbs consist of total 60 bones, in which each half is contributed by 30 bones. It consists of humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Each upper limb consists of 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, 8 carpals, 5 metacarpals, and 7 phalanges. Now lower limbs. Lower limbs are also similar to upper limb, has 60 bones, out of which each half contributes 30 bones. It consists of femur, patella, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Each half of lower limb consists of 1 femur, 1 patella, 1 tibia, 1 fibula, 7 tarsals, 5 metatarsals, and 7 phalanges. The pectoral girdle of each half is contributed by 2 bones, that is 1 clavicle and 1 scapula. The clavicle is a longitudinal bone. It ossifies mostly in cartilage. There are 2 centers of ossification for it, and clavicle is the first bone in the body to ossify and last bone in the body to fuse. Scapula is a triangular bone which is present against 2nd to 7th ribs. It consists of acromion process, spinous process, and a glenoid cavity. The pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle is formed by 2 hip bones or coxal bones. The hip bone connects axial skeleton to lower limbs. It consists of ilium, ischium, and pubis. Now looking into the carpal bones, there are total 16 carpal bones in our body, which are named as proximal row and distal row. The proximal row consists of from lateral to medial side, scaphoid, lunate, triquetral, and pisiform. And the distal row consists of from lateral to medial side, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. The mnemonics to remember the carpal bones are: she looks too pretty, try to catch her. She means scaphoid, looks means lunate, two means triquetral, pretty means pisiform, tri means trapezium, two means trapezoid, catch means capitate, and hair means heaven. With this mnemonic, it is easy to remember all the carpal bones. That's all. We have covered all the bones of our body, including axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel Medicinous Tips. I will be coming with a new topic in the next video. So once again, please like the video.